Are you facing Media Creation Tool error 0x80072F8F-0x20000? In that case, you have landed at the right place. We have the best solutions for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Enabling TLS 1.1 and TLS 1.2 is easiest way to fix this error. For this, you need to open a notepad and type the following code. Now go to the File option and click on Save As and save this file with .reg extension. Once completed, you need to double-click on this file and apply the changes in the Windows registry. After that, click Yes when asked for confirmation and restart the system. This can resolve the issue. Method 2. The KB3140245 update allows you to enable TLS 1.2 protocol. So, if this update is not installed, you cannot fix this error. You can now easily download this update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Type KB3140245 in the search field and download the 64-bit or 32-bit version of this update as per your system configuration. After downloading the update, install it and restart the computer. It should resolve this issue. Method 3. Cleaning the software distribution folder can also resolve this issue. You can find this folder by typing the C:\Windows\software distribution\download command in the File Explorer search bar. Now, select all the files in the folder and delete them. After that, open Command Prompt or CMD as administrator and run this command: wauclt.exe/update now. After that, try running the Media Creation tool to check whether it is still showing the error or not. Method 4. The 0x80072F8F-0x20000 error can be a result of application conflict as well. It happens due to services and programs that run during the startup, and they can trigger this error when you run Media Creation tool. To resolve this conflict, first you need to go to search menu and type msconfig. Then click on System Configuration from the result. After that, go to the Service tab, check Hide all Microsoft services and click on Disable all. After that, move to the Startup tab right next to it and open Task Manager. Now, you need to check all the enabled programs, select them and disable them one by one. Return to the System Configuration dialog and click on OK. After that, restart the system and see if the issue is resolved or not. Method 5. You can edit the Windows registry to resolve this issue as well. Press Windows button and R and type regedit. Once the registry opens, follow the path. Now right-click on the empty space and click on New. After that, select D word from the given options and name it Allow OS Upgrade. Double-click on the newly created file and change its value data to 1. Click on OK and see if the issue still persists. So, these are some of the handy and unexpected ways to speed up your computer and optimize its performance. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.